Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is MonzyCrypto, and today we're going to start a brand new series over here covering the new game that MOBOX just released that is called Clash of MOland. First of all, I just want to say I'm not gonna personally play this game. Unfortunately, there is just too many games already that is released for MOBOX, and there can only be a handful that I can take serious. If I play more games, I'm gonna spread myself too thin on like a lot of different games. So it's better for me to just stick with what I think is going to be the best. So I'm like I have two accounts here. I don't really play at all on this account, but I'm going to show you guys over here what I will do. Just as a tutorial, so you guys can have a little bit of more insight on how the game is being played, and also like if this game is your cup of tea, obviously. So first of all, just want to explain what this game is. It is a resource-based game. It is pretty much at the end of the day how much resources you can farm over time. And yeah, if you think about it logically, it's somewhat of a game like Age of Empires. You know, like you're gonna create units and you're gonna farm stuff and create stronger units, and at the end of the day, you're gonna just take over territories and farm that way, pretty much. I'm still busy with the tutorial over here, but I pretty much just did the start. Selected a faction. I chose random, so we can get 50 of these crystals, whatever that is. We'll cover that in some future videos. Also, I did my one summon. Your first summon, you'll always get a purple one, so just keep that in mind. And then, yeah, now we're gonna just start the game and see what's gonna happen. Like I said before, this is not an account that I really play on, but I want to show you guys how to play this game at least. The reason why I do this on an alt account is because if I do this on my main account, then I have to be logged out on my laptop, which I normally play on, and I don't really want to do that. So I'm going to show you guys just what I do and how how I would conquer the game and make tutorials about it, because there's going to be a contest for it soon. And I would like to jump the gun pretty much and teach you guys how this game is being played, and see what we could achieve. Yeah, if you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in episode 1. I don't know what we're going to cover yet, but let's do this.